Welcome to Abdul Kabir Shutonde virtual class. Today we want to look at overview of spreadsheet packages. In this class, we want to work on the meaning of spreadsheets. We want to look at examples of spreadsheet packages, and we want to look at the uses of spreadsheet packages. Now let's start. What is spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a collection of cells organized in rows and columns where data are stored and manipulated. Spreadsheet packages are powerful tools used for data organization, analysis, and visualization. Spreadsheet packages are many and they are very powerful. They are mostly used on our data. We use them to collect our data, to organize data, to turn our data to something very important and something that we can use to make meaningful decisions in the organization. Also, spreadsheet packages are used for data visualization. That is, they can be used to create visual elements which will give us more insight about the data we have. We need to understand that spreadsheet packages are many and they are created by different companies. But generally, let us look at the view of spreadsheet packages. Spreadsheet has a face that is usually arranged in rows and columns. According to this diagram, the rows are labeled in number. That is why you have 1, 2, 3. So we can say we have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Then the columns are labeled in alphabet. Column A, column B, column C, and so on. Generally, this is the face of all spreadsheet packages. Also, spreadsheet packages are used for visualization. You can use them to visualize the data, to create visual elements that will represent your data, that will show us what type of data you have and how the data in the application is performing. These are different types of charts that we can create in spreadsheets. They are connected directly to your data and they are dynamic. That is, they change as you make changes in your data. These visual elements are very important because they serve as the summary of all the data we have in a spreadsheet package. Now, what are the examples of spreadsheet packages? Like I said earlier, we have many spreadsheet packages created by different companies. They are very powerful and useful for different organizations for different purposes. Now let us mention some of them. The first one we are mentioning today is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is created by Microsoft Corporation. The picture at the right hand side shows that Microsoft Excel is arranged in rows and columns and thereby have cells where you can enter data. With these rows and columns, Microsoft Excel can allow you to collect data, to make calculation of the data, to organize the data, to arrange them, and make a more sense of your data. So the same thing is applicable to other spreadsheet packages. Let us look at the second example. The second example is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is created by Google. It is a spreadsheet application that is made available mostly on the internet. That is, you need to have internet before you can use Google Sheets in most times. It also has rows, columns, and cells where you can enter different types of data and manage them. Another example of spreadsheet package is LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc is one of the applications created by LibreOffice. The application is as powerful as other types of spreadsheet package. You can use it to collect data, to organize data, to manage data, to perform different analysis, and so on. Another example of spreadsheet package is Apple Numbers. Apple Numbers is created by Apple and it is a powerful spreadsheet package that can perform various types of data manipulation. One thing I want you to observe in all the spreadsheet packages is design in rows and columns. They all have rows, columns, and cells, and I can assure you they are all good for data manipulation and they are the applications that every organization cannot do without. Let us check another example of spreadsheet package. WPS Office Spreadsheet. WPS is designed by Kingsoft Office Software. It is a powerful application that is used mostly on PCs and mobile devices. Another example of spreadsheet is Zoho Sheet. Zoho Sheet is another powerful application that is an online spreadsheet package. We have many other examples of spreadsheet package such as Apache OpenOffice Calc, Quip, OnlyOffice, Smartsheet, and so on and so forth. Now, what are the uses of spreadsheets? We use spreadsheet packages for different data management, automation, and interpretation. Now, let us look at some of the popular uses of spreadsheets. Number one, data entry. Data entry means organizing and storing data in a tabular form. When we say in tabular form, we mean entering your data in cells that are made from rows and columns. There are different ways we can enter data in spreadsheets. We will discuss them in our future classes. Number two, we use spreadsheet packages for basic calculations, that is, performing simple arithmetic like addition of numbers, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and so on. Look at the picture where we have x and y, and the values of x and y are added in another column called x plus y. We can also use spreadsheet package for budgeting, that is, tracking expenses and income to manage personal or business budgets. You can use spreadsheet packages to monitor your earning and how you spend your money. How much do you earn, how much do you have, and how much do you want to spend? You can also use it to monitor your businesses. Another use of spreadsheet package is data sorting and filtering. That is, arranging data in a specific order or extracting relevant data. With spreadsheet packages, you can arrange your numeric data in ascending order or descending order. Also, you can arrange your items, maybe in ascending order from A to Z or in descending order from Z to A. So all these are easy and possible with spreadsheet applications. Let's look at another use of spreadsheet package. You can use spreadsheet package for inventory management, that is, tracking stock levels, sales, and product information. For example, what are you selling? What you are selling most of the times, you bought them. So when you buy, let's say you are selling bags of cement. When you buy bags of cement, you know how many do you buy. As you are selling them, you will need to monitor the number of bags you have sold, so that you will know when it is time to buy more products. We also use spreadsheet packages to create charts and graphs. We use charts and graphs to visualize our data trend. We use charts such as bar chart, line graph, pie chart, donut chart, and so on and so forth. We also use spreadsheet packages for creating schedule, that is, organizing and tracking events, appointments, or tasks. You can create schedules for different events, appointments, and when a particular task should be done. Also, we use spreadsheets for data analysis. To perform different data analysis, we use what we call functions. Functions like sum, average, count, count A, count if, and so on and so forth. Also, we use spreadsheet for financial calculations to calculate interest rate, loan repayment, number of period, payment, feature value, type, present value, and so on and so forth. We also use spreadsheets to perform simple reporting, that is, generating summary reports for easy data interpretation and decision making. A report is a page that tells us the summary of our data in a particular spreadsheet application. Now let us look at the summary of what we have done so far. We talked about the meaning of spreadsheet package. We said spreadsheet packages are arranged in rows and columns, and they all have cells which can accept data and from which we can manipulate our data. Also, we mentioned different examples of spreadsheet packages. We mentioned Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, Apple Number, LibreOffice Calc, Zoho Sheet, and so on. Finally, we discussed uses of spreadsheets. It is important to add that spreadsheet packages can identify the data you enter in the application, be it number, alphabet, or special characters. Generally speaking, all spreadsheet packages are very powerful and they are useful for our organizations. This class is just the overview of what we call spreadsheet package. In the future classes, We shall teach us how to use one or two of these spreadsheet packages for our day-to-day activities. So stay with me by subscribing to my channel so that you will get notified anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to share the video to your friends because we are taking these topics step by step according to a defined curriculum. Till we meet in the next class, stay safe.